the hell out of
See
it.
what I brought out here? I got a speed bag, eh?
Where'd you get that?
Buddy, Dwayne Burkwell gave that to me.
Really?
Yeah. Moving to Cuba. Here. I had a different idea. Eliana?
Yeah.
No, I need your. Oh.
Hello, anybody?
Hey, just a minute.
Ooh. Yeah.
There you go.
I live in this place called Hitchcock, and this is my husband's pastime.
Ooh, I'm cutting up bodies. Yeah.
Oh, Daddy. Okay, guys, wave bye. Daddy.
Bye.
Nice shot though,
Mark, I was aiming 2 feet.